Hi
Okay,
everyone.
so today, I just recently did some new upgrades in my AI analytics application. So for like the features that it provides and the improvements I did last time, you can also check out my other videos and posts. So there I mentioned like what are the strategies and like features I have added here. So basically, recently I had come up with this new feature improvement. Before that, let's summarize the overall application, like what it do and what is the purpose of this application. So it's basically application that with prompting you can generate a dashboard or charts, insights, and you can further query and collect some more information, prepare very complex kind of charts whichever like companies mostly use in their for their requirements to analysis data and all. So it also contains future predictions. So a lot of features it already contains. So in details, like if you want to know, you can just check out the video or the post link. So I'll just explain in the video like what are the few improvements that I have done in this. So I implemented this, I just implemented SSE in this project. So this is a few minor improvement. It will just help the application to load it faster and to handle even large data set without any issue. Because what happens like if you are dealing with really huge data set, so and you are using HTTP, like HTTP communication. So in that case, it just send all the data at the same time, right? So there might be thousands of millions of data. I'm not talking about a million even. Suppose even 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, something kind of records it has. So it's pretty heavier for the backend and the front end to handle it, right? And to the network, like how it travel to the communicate from the backend to front end in that case. So the best practices is here to use SSE kind of techniques where it will be transferred in chunks rather than sending all them together. And one more advantage is you will get here in this SSE. So you can also add some progress. So you can see live progress in the uh, in your application, like what are the processes you are going to follow in the backend. So you can just notify the user also at the same. So I'll show you like few things I have implemented in this. And recently, I added supply chain, a new domain. Just put some random data. I don't have any real-time data, so I use some library and put some random data just to test it out. And I also add a cache dashboard. I'll explain it like in the video. I'll show what is this cache dashboard and how it's going to help you to manage this app, how it improve the performance as well. And there is also I've added this PowerPoint export. So previously we had already had export options, but it further improvised and selected export also. So previously what was happening like I had a PDF and Word support, but this time I include PowerPoint as well. And at the same time, like you can also select like what data you want to export and all this kind of few improvement. So also added Gemini AI and Grok. Sorry, this is not Rock. This is Grok. So Grok Cloud support also. But anyway, I am adjusted with the Gemini API key. So I'll just continue with the open router, but it's just a internal improvement that I've added. Just support of this two more model. Okay, let's go to the app itself. I'll show the response, like how exactly it is coming right now. And you can also see like how fast it will just load. Okay, so this is the dashboard page, and you can see like there is multiple domains is there. So currently configure with two domain like sales and supply chain. So I'll start with this supply chain. It's a new domain just recently added. Mm, so I just query for warehouse trips and routes analysis, and whatever you want, you can just put here, and it will create the query. I'll show like how fast the things are getting loaded. So if you see, it's just loaded within few seconds, and you can see a progress option also, right? So if you go to the any like the API, so you can see that it is using the event stream in this case. So to just present the progress and loading it faster. So let's go to sales also. You can see like it's pretty fast, right? When we refresh. it's loading, so crazy. So I go inside, you can see this data is loaded very fast. Within, few milliseconds, it just got loaded. If you want to go to any other dashboard also, you see like it's lightning fast actually. According to the previous versions, is even more faster and very responsive also. Okay, so I'll take to the supply chain and I'll show you there. So you can see like how there are a lot of datas are there. It's not a very small dashboard that we are seeing. This all the APIs are running with the SSC, but I kept the both mode SSC and HTTP. When SSC got failure, or like you can configure this to the environment and all. So whatever the protocol you need, you can just use this. So you can see like how much data are there, right? And if I refresh even, I mean the loading are crazy fast. It's not even taking 2 to 3 seconds or 4 seconds. It's just loading within second. Even the data are too much in this case also. Yeah, I mean what I'm trying to say is like comparatively the loading got faster in this case. If I go to any conversation, you can see like how fast it's getting loaded here also. So it's happening due to this ACC and some of the caching optimizations. So yeah, I mean these are the things. So I've also added one export feature. So if I go to this this chart section and export, so you can see this options, right? So you can PDF what was previously there. So I've added this PowerPoint, and at the same time you have the option to choose the content type. So suppose I want this chart, data table, and SQL query. So I can just click export and I can choose also the conversations, respective conversations. So it just downloaded. I'll go to here. I'll go to the home page. I'll put the file. I don't know which one is the latest one. I guess this. I think this is the one. Yeah. Yeah. So right, like it's just immediately, without any fault, we just created the whole PowerPoint presentation from the reports of the from the question. So we can same like you can just do the same for the other export item as well. And yeah, this is another feature, and this export feature is also added in multiple places. So inside this chart also, I have added this export option here, and for the dashboard also you have it. Not here. If you go inside, you have this export option. So you can just include what are the KPL tiles you want, PowerPoint, PDF, and all like whatever you want. You can just do in the same way. So it will help you like to just collect this information in the PowerPoint or any files as well at the same time. So I'll go to the next point. Just give me a minute. So there is multiple domain support. There is multiple domain support. Uh, I mean, like I even show you this supply chain, right? So we have added this new database. I'll show you like what are the table and all, and the relationship, how complex it is. So this is, the new table has been configured. I am currently running in the local Docker, but I can show you this. Okay, so like, individually they have individual level of relationship. So there are a lot of tables, and the relations are also very complex in between this for this supply chain like domain. So we'll try some queries with this. Mm, I have the query, but I don't know what to. Okay, let me ask this question again. Anyway, it won't be come from the cache because the cache are currently cleared. So it will just create in the real time. Okay, I guess the cache are there. I have to clear it. Okay, before that, just let me show you about this cache system. So this is a dashboard I recently added. So what this cache dashboard is showing the status of the cache, are they healthy or not. At the same time, you can see the uh, the hit rate, the memory they are consuming, the number of details they are storing and all. So sometimes you might need to clear the cache from the system, or it might, if it consuming too much of space and all, you can easily clear and all this stuff. You can see also coming through here also, like what is the how much memory they are consuming, their services are properly running or not. So like this is a, simple admin in the admin panel. I just added this for a for a advanced visualization and management. So currently I will clear this cache. I will clear the all the cache. So yeah, so all the caches has been cleared. I'll do what? I will go to the section and query the same question. So we'll see the few improvements that has been added. So right now a question. So it is creating the query, and you can see the real-time progress that is having in the backend. So initialize collection tables, then create query, and finally it presented the result. So you can see this, beautiful like bar and chart is just created. So yeah, I mean, yeah, these features I have already explained, so I won't go to this. And you can use the several features like chart drill down and all this stuff. So I don't think like these things are needed again to explain here. So if I ask same question again, or even me or anyone even like ask the same question, so you can see like how fast it is, coming. So let's change some of the questions. Even instead of asking the same question, we'll modify it. So I'll ask just change some text and asked. So I mean the thing is that this time also it actually did not call the LLM. So what it did, it just collect the data from the same, from the cache. So there is this RAG system. This is the benefit of this RAG system. So even your questions are similar, even with different words. Also, you are giving inputs. So this RAG system will be able to catch your query, and it will just give you already stored response in the cache rather than creating new query, new stuffs in the same. So it will save your cost basically at the end. So this is one more improvement and some advancement that has been done in the application level. And I have also added Gemini and Grok Cloud support. I'm not able to show you this in this app because Gemini API key and all, and this Grok API I've already used a lot, so I don't have right now credits to show it. But internally, what I can tell, like this things has been added. And if I change this, domain, so it will redirect to me to the new page. Even in the dashboard case also, suppose I'm inside, I'm changing the domain, so you can see like it brings me to the home page of the dashboard, like where I have the list of the dashboard here. And basically, the performance and this few features, key features that has been added. So, I mean, it will help the user at the end in a great level. So experience will be even smoother, and it will save some of the cost also by using this cache mechanism and all. And also user can monitor by coming to this cache dashboard. So everything he can see the details by coming here. So this is all about the recent improvement that my app has been added. So let me know like any suggestions or few improvement that I can add here in this platform, or any if you have any feedback, just put in the comment. Thank you. Thanks a lot.